What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. I've got a 2015 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide. Vivid black paint, silver pinstripe. The bike's in great condition. Really the only thing I'm noticing are rock chips on the front side of the rear fender, and that's just part of it. When you're driving a Tri-Glide, they seem to get all the little chips on the fenders. Everything else looked good though. A 103-inch fuel-injected twin cam, 6-speed. It's got the Vance & Hines X pipe. This one's got highway pegs installed. It's got upgraded Avon grips, chromed out switch housings and switches, master cylinder cap. It's got the added on chrome trim around the radio and the gauges. It's got factory security, cruise control, and electronic reverse. It's got the Harley 3-pouch setup, adjustable wind deflectors. It's got a brand new front tire. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and then gave it a professional detail. There might be a few really light little marks on the fairing. Bike runs and rides great. All the chrome looks good. It's got the heel toe shifter. You can see some bigger chips over on this side. Both rear tires are in great shape. It's also got the chrome mud flaps on it. I think this bike only had like 10,000 miles. It's got the Harley lid organizer. All the carpet's in good shape. Got the owner's manual. 2 fobs. Got the chrome around the tail lights. Got the chrome fender, I don't know what you call those, brackets, guards. And only 10,544 miles. Guess I should probably take it out of gear. All right. Good running bike. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.